Have you been hit by fraud, scam, or identity theft and you watch your credit score plummet? Well, you're not alone, and today we are going to talk about repairing bad credit score fast. Stick around because by the end of this video you will have a clear plan to restore your credit and protect yourself from future damage. So let's jump right into today's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to FinPrime Agent channel. I'm Marco, and today we are diving into a crucial topic: how to repair your credit score. This is very useful, of course, if you have been a victim of fraud or identity theft, but even if that is not your case, we will also touch on common mistakes that can harm your credit score and how to fix them. So whether you've been targeted by scammers or just need to clean up your credit reports, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn the immediate steps to take if your credit has been damaged by fraud, how to dispute fraudulent charges and error on your credit reports, effective strategies to rebuild your credit score quickly, tips to prevent future credit damage and protect your financial health. Unfortunately, bad credit scores are often impacted by different types of frauds that you might have been a victim of. So for repairing bad credit score fast, let's address first this type of fixes. The first thing you need to know when you discover fraudulent activity is contact your bank and credit card companies to report the fraud. Next, place a fraud alert on your credit reports by contacting one of the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. This alert will make it harder for identity thieves to open accounts in your name. Once you've reported the fraud, get a copy of your credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Review it carefully and dispute any fraudulent charges or error with the credit bureaus. You can do this online, by phone, or by email. Be sure to include any documentation you have to support your dispute. I have already dedicated a full video on card fraud and the critical steps that you should take to increase your chances of recovering your money. So if you want to go deeper into that, check the link that I will leave you up here or in the video description. So those are important steps to take if you were a victim of fraud, but bad shape of your credit score might not be linked to that at all. So now let's talk about rebuilding your credit score. Here are some strategies to repair bad credit score fast. Pay your bill on time. Your payment history makes up to 35% of your credit score, making it the most significant factor. So set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a due date. Even a single late payment can sometimes significantly impact your score. If you're struggling to keep up, prioritize bills that are reported to credit bureaus such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Consistently paying on time will gradually improve your credit score. Reduce your debt. Lowering your credit card balances can improve your credit utilization ratio, which accounts for 30% of your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000, to keep your balance under $3,000. Paying down high-interest debts first can save you money in the long run and positively impact your score to help you in repaying bad credit score fast. Become an authorized user. If you have a trusted friend or family member with good credit, ask to be added as an authorized user on their credit card account. This can help boost your score, as the primary cardholder positive credit history will reflect on your report. Ensure that the account you are added to is in good standing and has a low credit utilization ratio. This third step can provide a quick and significant boost to your credit score. Secure a credit builder loan. Credit builder loans are designed specifically to help people build or rebuild credit. These loans work by holding the amount that you borrow in a bank account while you make payments. Once the loan is fully paid off, the money is released to you and your payment history is reported to the credit bureaus. This helps build a positive credit history. So look for credit builder loan at credit union or community banks, which often offer this product at reasonable rates. Consider a secure credit card. Secure credit cards requires a security deposit, which acts as your credit limit. Use it responsibly to build your credit. Make small purchases and pay off the balance in full each month to show responsible credit behavior. Over time, this can improve your credit score, and eventually you might be eligible to upgrade to an unsecured credit card which just doesn't require that deposit. Preventing future damage is just as important as repairing your credit. Here are some tips. For example, monitor your credit regularly. Use credit monitoring services to keep an eye on your credit reports and receive alerts about any suspicious activity. Use strong password and two-factor authentication. Protect your online accounts with strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever is possible. Keep in mind about the possible SIM swap risk, so don't use your mobile number of the FTA. To find out more about the risk of SIM swaps, I have another super interesting video for you, so again, check above and below to watch that video. Be cautious with personal information. Don't share personal information over the phone, email or social media unless you are 100% sure who you are dealing with. And another advice is shred sensitive documents. This seems very obvious, but always shred your documents containing personal information before disposing of them in the recycle bin. Repairing a damaged credit score isn't just about numbers, it's about regaining control of your financial future. A higher credit score can lead to better loan rates, sometimes even increased job opportunities, and for sure, reduced stress when it comes to financial decisions. So, by following these steps, you're not only fixing your current situation, but also setting yourself up for a long-term financial health. If this video on repairing bad credit score fast was useful to you, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more insight into regulatory compliance and financial crime. To actively support this amazing community, check out my Patreon link in the video description, or you can show your love with a super thanks directly from this YouTube video. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further advice on repairing bad credit score fast. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, see you soon.